Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear baby. Happy birthday to you.
Hey guys, it's Makaya. And welcome back to a very special vlog. This vlog is going to be my 18th birthday prep and just regular 18th birthday vlog. My 18th birthday is not that exciting, only because the day after I am going to Arizona. Me and my best friend are going to Arizona for 5 days and 4 nights. So it's gonna be our first no parents, no adults trip, or actually will be the adults. But I am super excited for the trip. I'm not as excited for my 18th birthday, only because obviously things change, but it's okay. I'll get through it. It is currently around 10-ish. I need to leave in a couple of minutes to go pick up my cake that my friend made, Gigi, but he made me a cake. I wanted the little Pinterest aesthetic cakes that everybody sees. I'll put pictures here. But I really wanted that, so we'll see it together. Hopefully it's cute. I'm really, really excited. And then I don't really have a lot of time today because I do have to work literally in the middle of the day. I work a 4-hour shift. It's 1:30 to 5:30. So I'm gonna try to do some stuff before I go to work and then after work, but I thankfully do not work tomorrow, and then the day after is my birthday. So tomorrow we'll do some prep, and today I'll try to do some prep. I gotta finish my laundry and probably start packing. Also, if you noticed, I got new glasses. How do we feel? I love them. I also got another pair. And also my hair is like this because I'm trying to curl it, but I've been told that I look really like mature with my hair like this and I look older. So I don't know how to feel about that, but I will be taking them out probably on Monday for my birthday. But yeah, that is what we're doing, and we're about to leave the house now. By the way, do not get too used to this quality because this is a camera that I'm renting from my school currently, so I just kind of have the camera for the trip and my birthday, but sadly it will go back to my phone quality, but one day we'll get there. Y'all, we gotta get there together. And we'll get the room together too, because this is what she's looking like. She's not giving. So I just texted him a few minutes ago and told him that I was here. Apparently, he said that he was like, oh, I thought we were supposed to meet at 11:30, not 11. So I don't know if I got the time wrong or we got the time wrong. I don't know, because I remember when he called me, I was like half asleep. But at the same time, I remember I tried to do 11 because I knew I had to go to work at 1. And so I wanted it to be early enough to get it out the way, but also not too early where it disrupts my sleep. So I'm pretty sure I said 11. Maybe he said 11:30. Maybe we both just said 2 different things and and just thought it was the same thing, but I definitely was half asleep. So I don't think he's in the area right now. So he just said to go home and he'll drop it off my house, which I didn't want to do. I didn't want him to do that in the first place because he lives like 40 minutes away from me. But I think he's also somewhere else that's like closer to my house now. So I think he'll probably go home and get it. So he'll probably just drop it off at my house. So wow, this vlog is off to a great freaking start. Back home. Y'all, I forgot to show Gigi. He was just here. But look at my cake. I think the 18 part is a little big, but I also love it at the same time. So like, I don't really know what to say, but look how cute. Look at the cherries. Okay, I cannot find a good angle for this camera, so this is what it's gonna have to be. We're in the hallway. Don't mind my K-pop wall. I did this a while ago, but I want to try on some outfits possibly for the trip. I have to leave in a little bit for work. I'll try to just do a couple and just set those aside. But yeah, we're gonna try those on.
There's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Can try to run and hide, it won't make a difference. Can't lie to yourself,
The last clip you saw was from Saturday night last night. It's now Sunday, and it is 11:50 something p.m. and I turned 18 in a couple of minutes. I'm actually not gonna stay up, or I'm not gonna try to stay up till 12, or technically it's kind of too late, but I just kind of want to go to sleep. I want to like actually wake up on my birthday, or at least not know when it's 12 a.m. I don't know, I just feel like doing that this year. But all I did was pack yesterday, and there's my suitcase. I will see y'all in the morning. Good morning! It's my birthday! I am officially 18 years old today. I just took a shower and I'm about to take my hair out and get dressed. And I don't want to tell y'all what I'm doing today because I just kind of want to vlog it and y'all can come along with me. The day is not going to be super duper exciting. I'm not having any parties or anything like that because I literally leave for my trip tomorrow. So I'll do a cool crazy transition in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! You see? The difference is real. I'll show y'all my fit later, but I'm about to open my gift from my boyfriend, I guess.
Yo, welcome back, you guys. Put those right there. Welcome back, you guys. Today we're gonna be surprising her with her gifts. You know, she's looking real nice right now. When you open your eyes, not yet. When I say to open your eyes, you're going to open them. You are not going to look into the camera, okay? Open your eyes, you're gonna look forward, actually. My fault. Okay, 3, 2, 1, open.
Okay.
The first part of your gift is this.
Boy, what?
That's the first part of your gift.
$250?
Wait, did you hear that?
Huh?
What's that noise? Who's talking? Who is that?
What are you talking about?
Oh, I don't know.
Can I grab them?
Yeah.
What? What is this? 2, 4, 6, 180?
Because you're 18.
Hey, I'm
Now
happy
put
I
that
have
somewhere
quarters.
safe. Put that somewhere safe.
Okay. A book?
He has a book. He told me to tell
there's
you.
a key ring.
He told me to tell you not
green.
to. He told me to tell you not to look around at the book, just to follow the directions.
What
You have to
page?
read it out loud.
When you were 13, you hurt me. We fell in love. When you were 14, you ghosted me. When you were 15, we had beef. Kinda.
Oh.
This is Micaiah. No. You were 16, I fell in love with you. Look, the heart's beating. Me again.
Yeah.
You, oh, look, my birthday.
Your hair's longer.
When you were 17, I realized I never wanted to leave.
What did the phone say?
Micaiah, my wife. Now you're 18 and we're inseparable.
Look at us.
Look, it's so cute.
You have to,
With that being said, let the Cougar Games begin. Happy 18, for real though. What is this?
you don't have to read it out loud if you don't want to.
I'm so proud of you, my #1 inspiration, my light, my energy, my drive, and my power, my girlfriend, my 18-year-old girlfriend, my adult girlfriend. Now your opportunities are truly unlimited. You are truly gifted. Your love, your talent, your everything. You are a blessing. You're my blessing. You're going places and you know it. I know too. Soon the world will be acknowledged of your greatness. I can't wait till they know. I'll be there every step of your journey. Thank you. I love you. It's so cute. I love it.
Boy, who is that?
180 on her.
Oh, no, not even.
Ooh.
180 on her.
Hold on.
What's up, gang?
New guest. What we doing right now?
You get my balloons. Boy. Boy, what? Look at his leg.
Wait.
In case you didn't know. They didn't see
Oh,
the
my
fit.
fault.
I heard that.
They didn't see the fit.
I didn't show him the whole fit. Boy,
Oh.
keep it PG.
Oh.
This is a family-friendly channel. Fit from Shein. Literally everything from Shein except these boots from like Ross.
Hold on, what is?
I don't got my earmuffs, but the cameraman, because he was supposed to film by giving it to me.
We are on the roof right now, you guys.
Stop talking like that.
We're on the roof. We about to get some crazy shots. Tell them about your vision for these, how you want these shots to look.
I think I want a couple of car pics, and then we'll do some with the balloons, and then some we gonna model runway walk on the little thing. And we gonna have a baddie moment.
You know, she had to get the best photographer she knows out here.
Alright.
Nobody else is taking pictures like me. Nobody else is taking shots like me. You're gonna put some examples of the pics right here. Boom, boom, boom. That's some of the craziest shots I got. You know, all my shots is crazy just because I'm really him.
What?
I got a little eager, my fault.
No! They really out here. I'll stay safe. Oh boy, doggy! Got my free sub.
What is that?
Free 99. I just redeemed my free sub and we about to go to Buffalo Wild Wings to get him some food, or I'm gonna let him use my free birthday reward. It's just 6 wings. Alright, I'm about to take some pictures with my cake.
What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk?
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump. My hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Check it out. I drive these trucks that's crazy. I do it on the daily. They treat me really nicely. They buy me.
Y'all, my battery is about to die. He is about to help me pack my final things. I'm about to leave in the morning, so y'all gonna catch that vlog, but I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I had a great birthday, great people, and I'm very happy, and I hope my birthday wish comes true. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next vlog right after this one. Love you. Bye.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back in?